Welcome back, you guys, and welcome to those that are joining me for the very first time. My name is Julie, and I'm a flight attendant for one of the major airlines here in the US. However, today I'm in London, and we are going to Hyde Park. The bus fare is £1.75, and once we get to Hyde Park, we can actually walk to the Marble Arch. So that's what we're going to be doing first. Welcome to Hyde Park. Here's a map of what the park looks like, which is across the street. And here we have the Marble Arch. Since I only have so much time here in London, I hopped back onto the bus. I did have to pay another £1.75, but I do want to make my way over to the Palace of Westminster. And here we are. And you all know who this guy is. If I have time, I'm actually going to come back this evening when it's all lit up. The hop-on hop-off buses are a great way for tourists to get around if they want to do a lot of sightseeing, and the ticket price is roughly about £40. In case you're wondering where I am, I'm actually on Parliament Street, and I'm making my way over to St. James Park. So we made it to Whitehall Palace, which is right off Parliament Street, and if I remember correctly, this will take me right to St. James Park. And I have a trivia question for you guys. Which queen lived in Whitehall Palace? If you guys know, let me know in the comments below. I believe this is the area where they do the horse guard parade, and I'm not sure though what time. If I remember correctly, I read something around 4 p.m. But if I'm wrong, please correct me and let me know in the comments below. And ahead of us we have the Guards Memorial, which honors the guardsmen who died during the two world wars and in service of the country since 1918. Well, welcome to St. James Park. Once we get through this park, we should be arriving at Buckingham Palace.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Ready, Henny, it don't matter, shots. Till I drop.
Alright, you guys, so we finally made it to Buckingham Palace. I have another trivia for you. Do you know how many rooms Buckingham Palace has? If you know, let me know in the comments below. That is a lifeguard back there, so I'm going to try and zoom in for you guys. Now, the park across the street is called the Green Park. And once I get through here and take a right, that should actually take me to Piccadilly Circle. So that was just the Ritz-Carlton that I was in, but unfortunately that is all I got to see because they would not let me go any further because I was wearing trainers. So note to self, next time I come to London and I want to check out the Ritz-Carlton, I need to be sure to have some proper shoes in my bag. Anyhow, let's move on. This is the Burlington House, which is located on Piccadilly in Mayfair, London, and it was originally owned by Earls of Burlington. However, in the mid 19th century, the British government purchased it and allocated it to the Royal Academy and 5 learned societies. Welcome to Piccadilly Circle. So from here on, I'm just gonna wander the streets and see what else I can get into.
The kid is set. Don't worry, we are professional. That's what we work here on the streets. Here we go. So now we're gonna start the show. We're ready.
I'm sure you can make time for me. No, I'm not free for the next 6 months. Ask me about this.
I hopped on the bus again to head towards to be sure to hit the like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys can come with me on my next trip.